He definitely likes the lower frequencies.
Yeah,
that's pretty good.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
It was a really good turn. Twice as many yesterday.
Yeah.
What's this tune to?
30 hertz.
30 hertz, okay. So it plays pretty low.
Yeah, it plays down to like 23 or so.
Okay.
Box about 6 cubes. ZVX V2s.
Okay. That's good. Did you optimize your space for where the box placement was?
Yeah, to have enough room between the trunk.
Yeah, got it. I see you filled it a little bit. Or are you having some issues with the back braking? Got it.
A lot in the back.
Yes, sir.
The roof as well.
The amps are behind the seat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Amps are kind of a mess, but I can do it.
So what's your name and what else in here, man? Go ahead.
I'm Nathan. This is my build with 2 ZVX V2s in a 6 cube box tuned to 30 hertz. Running off of a Smart Base 3K. I've got a 320 under the hood, still on a stock battery.
Did you ever do any kind of SPL tests?
No, I haven't yet. I want to meter it, but
Okay.
I haven't yet. I'm not really where I want to be, so I want to do a little bit of upgrading before I meter.
Yes, sir. So why did you invert the subs instead of mount them regular?
So whenever I was building the box, the first thing was I kind of just liked the look of it. And to tell you the truth, I didn't want to run wires through the box.
Yeah.
I kind of got lazy with it.
That works.
Just kept the wires on the outside.
There you go.
Didn't have to do anything with terminals or any sort of holes in the box or nothing.
Awesome. And you get to see the motors.
Yeah,
and a little bit more.
Look nice.
Yeah, a little bit bigger box space too. So awesome.
I can go ahead and pour some for you.
Okay. Sure, man. definitely likes the lower frequencies.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
does.
I noticed, I just wanted to see the difference with the door open versus closed. It opened up a little bit, allowed the subs to breathe, but I like it, man. Thank you for showing me, man.
Of course,
Thanks
man.
for the demo.
Have a good one.
You too, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good one. What was your name again?
Nathan.
Nathan. Nice to meet you, Nathan. Yes, sir.